Have you ever needed to organize data in a tree-like structure, like categories, comments, or organizational charts, within a NoSQL database? Getting these hierarchical relationships right can be tricky, but there is a powerful pattern that simplifies it greatly. You should consider using the Materialized Path pattern for NoSQL data when your application frequently performs read-heavy operations on hierarchical data, especially when querying ancestors, descendants, or entire subtrees is common. This pattern is particularly efficient for maintaining and traversing explicit paths in your data. The core mechanism of the Materialized Path pattern involves storing the full path from the root node to the current node as a string within each document itself. For example, a node might have a path like 1/2/3. This path acts as a direct lookup key, allowing for extremely fast retrieval of related nodes without complex joins or recursive queries typical of other methods. It precomputes the relationships, making traversal an easy string operation. To implement this, assign a unique identifier to each node and concatenate these identifiers with a delimiter, such as a /, to from the path. When querying for all descendants of a node, you simply perform a string prefix match on the path field. If you need all ancestors, you can parse the path string to identify each parent in sequence. For example, to find all items under electronics/laptops, you query for paths starting with that prefix. This approach is excellent for quickly rendering menus or directory structures. An insider detail is that while Materialized Path excels at reads, writes can be more complex, especially for subtree moves or deep node deletions. You need to update the path of all affected descendants. To mitigate this, consider implementing a simple versioning system for your paths or processing large changes asynchronously. Another advanced technique is to use compound indexes on segments of the path to optimize partial path queries or segment-specific searches, balancing the performance overhead of string operations. Ultimately, opting for the Materialized Path pattern allows you to efficiently manage and query complex hierarchical data structures in your NoSQL database, leading to faster application performance and a more responsive user experience, particularly for content navigation and nested organizational views.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.